Hello everyone and welcome back to Pyanodons hard mode. Yeah, in the last episode we fixed all those problems that we created for ourselves to solve, especially those related to power poles. Yeah, many of the power poles didn't connect to the grid anymore. So I think with hot air I had 3 connection points. All of them failed, and all power plants were disconnected. And yeah, so a lot of fixing stuff. And then we finally got logistics science running, except there is no spoilage prevention whatsoever. So I'm going to fix that. Yeah, 600 animal samples already. Oh, looks like I've already done this. Or I copy-pasted it from somewhere. Did I have this at the corner in my bus space as well? No, weird. Maybe I did this in the design process and then somehow failed to copy the green wire. I don't know. Also, yeah, now this is handled. And there's one more thing that I wanted to fix here, and that's, you see this, there's lots of biocrut on this belt. I actually want to only use one side of the belt here, because then no massive spoilage will be going onto the belt. Because yeah, I have only single inserters here at the end. I don't want to overload them with spoiled products. And then there's one more problem with spoilage that I didn't catch last episode. That's I did the math again on these chests, and for the guts I'm extremely short. Yeah, maybe this is a little bit too much. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll go with 100. That should be 100. Yeah. So 100 chests for guts, and the meat is already enough, and the lard is enough, and the brains is enough. It's all fine. So with that out of the way, my plan for today is going towards the bot mall, and I have already looked for a good place. Or actually, I did this many episodes ago, and I have decided that this beautiful block will be my new mall. Yes, it's not really centered just as much on the border as my current mall, but I can grow downwards, and then hopefully it will not be at the border anymore. Why this one? Let's start the work and then do the talking. Oof, that's a lot. Yeah, why this one? First of all, at the moment I don't have cliffs around this rail grid. Second, there are no rocks in the way, and there are no rocks on the outside grid, and no rocks where I want to build all the rail stations. You see, this will be massive amount of rail stations, and yeah, let's just build it. Why not? Yeah, at least to here. Let's see. How many can I do? Probably like this, and then I really have to think about how to solve the exit. Yeah, why not do the same here? That should keep my bots busy for a long time, and that's actually good. So because yeah, I need some design time. So yeah, this will be lots and lots of stations. I don't know how many it is right now. Like 60 per side. That's 240 in the long run. Yeah, there are some obstacles inside of the block. I don't care about those. There are some cliffs inside of the block. I don't care about those because I will get cliff explosives at some point. And yeah, so that's the story why it's this block. Other blocks like this one have this aluminium ore right where the train stations should be. Or there is yeah, or the tin ore, or there is a cliff currently in the way, and I don't have cliff explosives yet. Also, I think this is in the way. So yeah, this is actually the best choice right now, and yeah, it's going to be a while. So the one big question is, will I use burner assembling machines or lots and lots of these large automated factories? And I think I'm going for burner assembling machines. So how will this look? I need to do something like that. Yeah, this will of course be a requester chest. Yeah, I think I can already do this in the blueprint. Oh, and I do have passive providers now. So this will be a passive provider chest. This one will just make anything. Then I do want to, yeah, just copy paste this using shift right click, shift left click, which means I need the fuel somewhere else. And I also want to do this in a hybrid way again, where I can have some ingredients coming in on the belt. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I do need a power pole here. About this one. Can I tile this? Yeah, perfectly. Okay, so there's lots and lots of input possibilities. Maybe, yeah, I can swap those around. Because then I could change those to using stack inserters if I really need those. Yeah, but for now I don't have them, so it will be the yellow ones. Actually, I could go for the fast inserters here, but I think I'll do the yellow ones as a default and then upgrade as necessary. So on this belt there will be, I don't know, what will this be? So this is one inserter, but it could be a fast inserter. This is two, yeah. It probably doesn't matter that much. Let's make this iron plate small parts. I think pipe is always a good choice. Brick is always a good choice. Steel is always a good choice. And then there's also... yeah, let's just use wood as a fuel. So... this can be fuel. I'll set this to a different recipe. I can have this connect to the logistic network and only enable... oh no, less was good. Less than 5, less than 10. Yeah, 10 is probably a good number for most buildings, so I'll keep it at 10. Then I don't have to limit those chests, and yeah, so this is... I'll do this, and then try to make this a blueprint. Yeah, just blueprint. What's the 10? Yeah. Let's make this a parameter. Yeah. I don't know about the second parameter. It's just a lot more clicking with that second parameter. So if I do this just with default 10, I set the recipe and yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Do I want to set these inputs here? Because there is a possibility somehow where I can have... I think I have to change this. Yeah, that's a bit annoying. So lots of parameters. Let's try this. So these are ingredients of the first one. And then this is formula. Ooh. Item count of ingredient of parameter n. So it will be P0 underscore item 1. Something like that. Let's see. So if I change this to, let's say, the multi-purpose cracker, I got steam engines, labs, simple circuit boards, and small parts. already in here. That looks promising. Now, if I do this for every... yeah, for... I think I can do this for up to 10 parameters. Let's see. And I could do this for even more if I wanted to. Just had to install a mod to increase the number of parameters. Oh, yeah, I think I could... change those, yeah, and now I'm out of parameters, so I can do up to 9 ingredients. Also, I think this time I want to have multiple sections. One section will definitely be with all the alien life buildings. Actually, it's not too bad. Yeah, all the plants. The plants have... and not only plants, also the orcs, for example, have a huge amount of soil. So I'll probably... But not everything has soil. Huh. Do I still want the soil? It's definitely easier to just not care about this at all. Let's be honest. Oh, and I need to find a solution for the fluids. I don't think there's lots of fluids. There is definitely fish oil for the gearboxes and the construction bots. Logistic bots don't even have a fluid. Yeah, maybe I'll do one line that has... or one row of buildings that has somewhere soil in there instead of pipes. Yeah, I don't know. Who uses soil? Relesia Plantation doesn't use pipes. This uses pipes. But this uses iron plates and small parts. This uses steel and pipes. This uses pipes and iron plates. Iron plates, steel, and iron plates and small parts. Yeah, maybe I'll swap with the steel. I think that's what I did, right? No, I swapped with the stone bricks. Yeah, actually the stone bricks were the better thing to swap with. Okay. Then maybe I want to have this with steel and this with bricks. Because then this is soil and that other one is identical. Okay, burner assembly machine Mark 1 or Mark 2 as a default. I don't know, probably Mark 1 is enough. This will be heavily limited by the inserters. Now, what orientation? Oh, and also I need to design new stations. So that is a normal requester. And train limit will definitely be 1. Can I connect this to the network? And can I maybe do this only here? Ah, it's up here. I looked for it here, but yeah, it's up there at the right. So I want you... got you. Only if you are less than, let's say, 200. Or maybe a little bit more. Let's start with 200 as a limit. And I can always increase this. So there will be no belts. Instead, this is loading directly onto passive provider chests. Do I even want to have storage chests so that if I deconstruct something, nah, that's fine. I don't care. Yeah, passive provider it is. Inserters just output. Now you, no. I create a copy of this. Select new contents. This is already priority, and this is call it min item count. What's the train limit? Yeah, that's fine. Now, you are my mall. Request mall. Okay, and with that, I think I can start building, except I want real trains for these items, which is basically iron, small parts, bricks, steel, probably copper as well, because I need to make copper plates and tin plates. I don't have those on the train network, just like I don't have a lot on the train network yet. Maybe I'll do those just somewhat dedicated. Niobium. I could do a belt of niobium, and then I think the bots might be able to handle this. Is there something else that I want to have dedicated production? Rails, yeah. I do want dedicated production of rails, which means solder. Do I have treated wood on my trains? Yeah, basically solder and treated wood. Okay, I'm going to start on the left side with the belts. And yeah, I do have treated wood. Yeah. So I'll do treated wood. Maybe stone bricks. Iron plates. Small parts. What else did I need? Steel and solder. Yeah. Steel. Solder. What about the other belts? So I think I got this. I have to make the pipes on site. And yeah, logs is fine. I don't need that many logs. Now this will be left to right. I hope I can just start here. Oops. Yeah, I really should do this with a snapped grid. So oh, I also need rubber parts. Yeah. Maybe I'll start with some requesters now. Oops. Yeah, here. That's a lot of chests, and they aren't cheap. Yeah. Oh no. One more thing. I don't have copper plates yet. Copper plates. 1, yeah, rubber parts. Where can I fit the rubber parts? I think I can fit them in here somewhere. Either here or here. Let's see. Yeah, this looks great. What's the coverage of those? Yeah, that's fine. No. It's up here. Whoop. No. Let's take that one power pole at least with us. This doesn't cover the very last station. Maybe I'll make this a belt station or a pipe or something. Power poles everywhere. Okay, can I see here already? Of course not. Probably want to go through here somehow. Ooh. Yeah, I'll find a way. But I want to see first. I also want construction zone extenders. Just, yeah, maybe I'll build those inside no matter what. Yeah, and I think I have to help. There's no way around it. Let's grab a few thousand rails and yeah, just go and help. Yeah, this will be the place where I can build all the belt stuff, which will be a lot, because I intend to do rails, and I also want to build basically this. Just using belts, because of high throughput, yeah. Doesn't make sense to do anything else. And then there's so many materials that I don't have on trains yet. That's really going to be something. Okay. Please start. Ooh. Ooh, I think I can no longer do this. Right, because I do have... Yeah. I do have my logistic bots now. So... I can only hope that I'm going to use some of this very quickly. And this will free up my inventory. Yeah. Logistic robots will continue to empty the trash slots. That's the problem. But at least I can make this use the logs. Now I do want to reserve the next 2 train stations for anything I might need on belts, just in case. So I'll start here with, yeah, basically everything. Let's define that everything. I think first of all, I want everything that I have on belts. I also want on... I also want this additionally in my network. Which means I'll start with all the plates. Iron, copper. What's the next in line? Probably steel. Aluminium. Tin. Lead. Titanium. Yeah, I need all of this. I think I need nickel for something. And zinc. I don't see zinc directly being used in a building recipe. And it really would help if I could see what I already have. I didn't bring enough. I did not bring enough stations. Yeah. Okay, and I'm missing this big power pole here for this construction zone extender. But yeah, that is actually acceptable. How many buildings do I have? Okay, that's 40. That should be enough per row. How many do I have here? 173. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to need a few rows of buildings, but at least this keeps the flight distances short if I build such a dense system. And I think I can already... no, where is it? This one. Start making passive provider chests over here. Okay, so this is 80. Then that is 200. I think that's enough of a mold for now. Of course, the problem is the amount of train stations in the long run, but I'll try to do a lot of minor or less throughput items here on the right. Actually, I should build those here, to be very honest. Can I do this? Likely, yes. Yeah, there's this stupid cliff. But I can totally fake that first half somehow. One stacker. Yeah, just somewhere. And yeah, this was too much. Yeah. That's about the max I can do. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit non-standard, but who cares? Now I need some extra trees gone here. And then yeah, I'll just try to help again. Now with the rest of the trees gone. Yeah, a lot of this is already being built. Great. Oh, by the way, down here I can try to plan the train station or output stacker, whatever. I think I can put a few in here. Like here. I'll give it a try. Oops. Go on here, and then hopefully that's enough. Yeah. That's my standard. Okay, that's most of the asphalt. All of this needs to be in range of those robopods, yeah, but I can manage to do so. I have a power grid in here. Yeah, I think I'm more or less ready to paste all the buildings. Ooh, I'll need at least this. Yeah. So this is not what I wanted. That's the problem with the building while everything is ghosted. In theory, it's not great. Okay, so this is enough. And why can I not place something here? Huh? Why? Can I do this here? Yeah, for some reason I can. So this holds a train. And this is the last one anyway, so... yeah, that also holds a train. Well, let's hope that it really does. Yeah, on the other hand, there's nothing wrong with it. You need to be a chain signal. In theory, those could be normal signals. Yeah, I don't care. Now what I'm going to do is just copy paste this into the other corner and hope for the best. I can also paste this here, excluding all the stuff from the next side. Know what? Let's do this. No. Here. Yeah, fits perfectly. I cannot make use of this right now because of this cliff, but yeah, in the long run, this will be the entry. Maybe I could have even changed this and go around. Yeah, let's give this a try. Like a real try. You can go to up here. Which means this is deprecated now. And instead, I can have more train stations. Yeah. A mall needs train stations. That's all that a mall needs. And yeah, this should be enough. Yeah. Trains can go in there if they want to. Okay, hopefully that's enough stations. I don't think it doesn't hurt to build the rest of the stations already. Why not? That's here. Okay, great. Hmm. Yeah, let's build this part. And the bots can do the unimportant parts on the side. Now what I do need are those passive provider chests, and I also will need all these requester chests. But that's only in 21 minutes. What is science production doing? Yeah, it's not too bad. At the moment I think I'm at max capacity, but I wasn't a few moments ago. Logistics science, what are you doing? So now the belts are back at normal fill level. Yeah, so hopefully this will ramp up very soon. So yeah, I had this biocrot on the belt, which is also gone, I believe. Yeah, it's in here. A little bit of jerky exists. Okay, you don't have enough animal samples. Maybe I do have to increase this a little bit. But once this is balanced, increasing the limit actually only means that on that last belt there will be more. So maybe I'll wait a little bit longer to find the balance here. Also, why is this? Wow, okay. I know why this is so weird. Once this opens up, I basically get this whole part going in. I'm not happy about this. And then probably some animal samples will make it to the very end and just sit on this belt, yeah. And block the other research centers again. But if I read this belt on top, I do have a problem. So yeah, I'll change this. I will basically limit those machines, just like I do with the other ingredient. All of this has to be wired up. Now, why is there no animal sample? Now there's animal sample on the wire up to the very end, which means I don't have to disable you. And I can read that whole belt. Yeah, plus that whole belt. Oh, let's do this. Yeah, default is 0. I normally don't like these half-baked configurations where there's a random number, and yeah, so that's why I tried to get rid of as much as nonsense configuration in here. And what I can probably do is configure different limits for the different gene labs, because 6 of them actually have to run non-stop. So I could have one limited at 40 and the other ones all limited at 50 or 60. And then this will just work from time to time. It has the shortest path. And hopefully, really hopefully, this helps with that situation. Okay, and the science packs over here, yeah, they are just chugging along. Great. Okay, I'm out of underground belts. I don't have trains coming in. Oh, yes, I do have trains coming in. Just have to get out of the way. Soda, treated wood, copper plates. It's a start. So I'll start with the blueprint, the very annoying blueprint. It's basically this. And yeah, I really don't care that much about the buildings I use. They will be changed to the parameters. Seven, 8, 9. I don't have more than that. Let's trash unrequested. And yeah. What's over here? I have the wood. I have this number 10. The 10 doesn't clash with anything down here. It's connected. So, so that's the item. That's the size of the buffer. It's a parameter. And now the fun begins. What was it? P0 underscore ingredient number. I've never used that many parameters. And it will break for a lot of buildings that have more than 9 ingredients. But yeah, ooh, I could also just do that. Okay. Let's move you here. You are wall building. And you go... Oof. Already have that other mall building. Now let's keep the power poles in here. I will not need you or you anymore. So that's the new mall building blueprint. I could have so much. And I do need another construction zone extender. Just do this. Yeah. This is hopefully enough. I don't see anything anymore. Okay, let's start making requester chests. Requester chests. It's that old one. You know, this doesn't help if no bot is available. So let's increase this to 20. But should I build this in the new base already? Need simple circuit boards. So is this enough plates for now? Let's just hope. Plate. Oh, Nexolid plate. I think I got all of them. Oh, niobium. I don't have niobium. Yeah, niobium. Nah, I don't care about this. Then let's go with circuit boards and batteries. I think circuit boards I can also have 1,000. They will be gone fast. Air conductors. I don't have air conductors, right? Not on the train network. Ah, gosh. I want to make those. Air conductors. Ceramic. I also don't have ceramic on the network. So I'll do a very quick and dirty ceramic build down here. And then yeah, just see about it. Oh. Why do I not have small parts? Am I out of small parts? Hot air? Right, this is hot air. Again, come on. Wow, hot air is probably something that I have to increase at some point. Yeah, it doesn't help all the science packs. Oh, by the way, what do I actually want to do next? I think I need steel for my mall. Any other nickel? I need nickel for my mall. I could do this without the new tech, of course, but can also just use the new tech. It's one single research. So somehow I'm missing power poles here. Oh. I have to power those inserters. And then, oh, yeah, the amount of red inserters here is insane. It's going to take a while. I think I need logs. Let's put those. Ugh. Maybe here somewhere. Exact location doesn't really matter. What does matter is that I do have power. I also want to have circuit reads of my buffer stations just in case I need them. I'll need definitely need a wood processing unit to make fuel. I said the fuel is in here, right? Now that will feed all buildings. And what next? By the way, I really should get some ingredients close by. I wanted some iron plates and small parts. It's those two. So yeah, let's use that lane. I'll need some extra because I need these totally belt-fed buildings with inserters and stuff. Actually, I could just use these buildings. Or can I? I definitely can for mechanical inserters. Yeah, this connection here is always a bit bad. I just do this normally. Pipes. Yeah, same thing here. Um, So I need to make the copper cables. And I want to make tin cables outside. Affected by productivity, yeah. So those I probably want to make in a larger building, in the automated factory. Yeah. But first, let's go home and bring a few supplies. Oh yeah, this is going to take a while. Let's see, I want this. I want all of these buildings. I want you. What else do I want on belts? No, that's stupid ingredients. I'm not going to supply this on belts. I could do the steel chests, but I don't need that many. Oh, what I do need is these yellow chests over here. Please go up to 50. Okay, a little bit pickup is happening already. I do have 20 of you. Yeah, let's grab a stack of intermetallics. Let's hope I have a little bit. Ooh, I do have. 100 intermetallics is another 20. Which gives me at least a little bit of a head start. Then I want my undergrounds back. I want yellow and red inserters. Yep. And what else? Train stops. Definitely need train stops. Rails, signals. Let's grab signals and I think I was a little bit too generous with my steel chests. Okay, they have 50 already? Great. Yeah, that's enough. Some cleanup. And yeah, I'm ready to go. Or am I? Maybe a little bit more belts can't hurt. More undergrounds. I'll take maybe 1,500 of those power poles. Sampling machines. 50, at least something. Could take the Mark II as well. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. And next try. Oh, lucky me. I still have splitters. I didn't check that. So now for the extra parts here. I think I really just do that. This will be the wood and passive provider. Connect. Let's go up to 200 here. And right now, yeah, I have a lot more than 200, so those won't even start. Pipe rounds. I don't know how many I need. Let's just spam power poles. Like so. So, where are my requester chests? I think that's okay. This I don't need. Anything else? Copper. Yeah, I do need copper cable for my air conductors, right? Air conductors. That's you. Ceramic. Now, and also let's not forget rails. Oh, that's again a lot of ingredients. Yeah, I'm going to do this on that other side. I already have oh, that was a throughput bottleneck, right? Huh. I can always increase this to long-handed, so that's actually okay. I mean not long-handed, I mean fast inserters. Okay, and you just get a requester chest. For the rest, yeah, so that's everything except the bolts. I don't care about the numbers here. Or maybe I should. And also I do have this on belt, so I really should use it. I need some jaw crushers for stone. Yeah, 5 per second sorter. That's a lot. I might want to use the real machine for the rails. By the way, let's go and build some of this. That's a bit unfortunate. I should limit those to just unload with one inserter from each chest, from each wagon or something. Something like that. Okay, one thing at a time. That's actually quite easy. You need power poles, and you have an output of 1.6 a second. Then there is no. That can be steel and treated wood or something. I don't have treated wood. Oh yes, I do have it. I could also use treated wood as a fuel. And that's not worth the effort. So I have stone, I have treated wood, I have bolts, steel, solder. I think I can have this steel just come here. 1 per second. Yeah, this is good. Okay, the 5 per second solder, that's actually a problem. Because that's 5 plus treated wood or steel, 6. And then I'll put into passive providers another power pole. Okay. Now that should be everything. What about this? You need ceramic, which needs a high pressure furnace. I'm going to rotate you. Ceramic, coke. Don't want coke on a belt. Nah. I'll use a requester chest. Hopefully I should not use too many requester chests now. Otherwise I won't have anything left. Yeah, 1 per second. And you connect air conductors 200. 1,000. Haven't connected you yet. 200. This is all fine. Rails. Is it 2 for 6,000? Yeah. Okay. Let's hope that the bells are somewhat in the correct order. Yeah, it's good enough. Yeah, of course I don't have any requester chests left. So I need coke. Let's request coke on that side. Where did I have this? Like here. Mm-hmm. Okay, power poles. Wow, now that's a lot of work. Let's connect them for now. And how much is left? A lot. 2,500. Just not a fan of this right now. Let's see. Brick. Yeah, this is brick. Stone brick goes in here. Now this will be, yeah, these small parts. This one is another belt of fuel. This one is also no. This one is fuel. Ooh. Why do I not have any more logs with me? Come on, get some logs. Of course, in the long run, you'll get a nice requester chest. 120, yeah, that's fine. But short term, that's it. Let's have 2 per second treated wood coming in here. Oh, no. Now what are you? You are the stone bricks. You are steel. Yeah, it's a mess. And you are solder. Okay. And that is copper. The tin I bring in from here. Okay. Let's get this started. Yeah, also you are right to the left of this. To the left of this. You can go directly to the left. And I think I need you. And then I need you on the top. I need one in here somehow. Oof. Okay. Of course I forgot something. Can't really fix it now. Da-dum. Yeah, that's the way to start a new mall. Just build a little bit of spaghetti. Now this really should have priority. The mall is even more important than science packs. Because without a mall there is no expansion. And without expansion there's no progress. So you are empty now. And the rails are missing, okay. That's easy to fix. Let's build at least one way out of this. No. One tile too far. Yeah, please hop in. Okay, trains are going. Perfect. Now my construction bots can help, and in the meantime, anything that I can do, yeah, I can get this party started. Just need need to be a bit cautious here, because I don't have that many chests. Ooh. Ooh, ouch. This does not cover the bottom part here. Okay, So be it. I'll have to change all of them to, yeah, to have a rubber pod. Yeah, but it isn't too bad. Just taking a bit longer here without those. Still missing 2,500 construction bots. Yeah, and a lot of chests and red inserters and all the other things. So, is my mall productive? A little bit. They are all being picked up. Those are not. Please go up to 100. I don't want you to stop because the bots are slow. And I also want to do this myself, I believe. Yeah, science is looking okay. Oh. Yeah, steel is so already finished in a few minutes. I think it was less than an hour that was planned for this research. Having tripled the amount of science is actually noticeable. Who would have thought? Oh yeah, okay. It's just slow to build this. And at some point I really have to... start making the infrastructure for this mall here. But right now I'm not yet able to. I also can't make more logistic bots down there as much as I'd want to. Steam engines I can make. Gearboxes I have to make. Belt I have to make. And yeah, the rest is basically a bunch of train stations. Okay. Why do I have the Mark II burner assemblers and haven't built them? So... I'm mostly here to bring chests. And then what else? Yeah, I think that's it for now. Split us, insert us. Oh, really short on chromium. Okay, this should be something that I start building in my mall ASAP. I have the Relamin now on trains, right? The Relamin, yes. Yeah, this doesn't help. So let's try to actually build something here. If only this wouldn't take forever with all these chests. I think I want to start building chests with logistic bots. Okay, and then also I'm missing chromium. I'm missing duralumin. And I was missing the antimony alloy. That one. I'm missing vitraloy, but I don't think I have this on trains yet. It's a bit unfortunate. So, yeah, I want the chests in here. And then I have a very few chests that I want to start building from the left. Then I also want, yeah, let's just upgrade those. I have them in my inventory. Okay, I'm out of red ones already. I need steel. Now let's see, does this work? Oh, that's the wrong one. Steel chest. I'm requesting steel plates. And actually I wouldn't even need this because steel is supposed to be on one of those belts. This is unfortunate. This is really unfortunate. So yeah, I'll have to build this here then. And this was... what did I plan to do? Steel and pipes. And I still... yes, I do have stone bricks by now. Stone bricks. Stone bricks should go onto that other belt. At least for the first 2 rows. Let's see what I do with the rest. And this is steel and pipe. So I'll simply do another pipe building. Always on, because you will be on a belt. Where's my steel? Okay, that is the other belt. I don't even need robots for you. Why is there no steel? Yeah, 4,000 steel plates. It's exactly 1 train. Okay, it says 4,000. But why is it not on its way? Logistic bots? Where are my logistic bots? I have 36. I guess they are bringing some other things in here. I don't know. Oh yeah, they are delivering tin. Which is not the most important things, but yeah. The biggest hurdle is flying here in the first place. So, I got those chests. Now, on to the next chests. You're a passive provider chest. You are storage chest. you are request a chest. And that should be enough for the start. You know what? I'll limit you to 50 again. Then I can keep the others at 100. And this will be just a fallback. If I should need more. Okay, and there go my blue chests. Actually, I don't need that many more. I think I need mostly the red ones from now on, because those train stations are quite expensive. So... Let's do the rest that I need. Let's start with buildings. So, you are the Mark 1. And you will be the Mark 2. Air conductors, okay. And you should have the rest. How many stones is this? Wow, this is actually... Why did I not see this? This is bottlenecked by the stone. Weird. Really weird. So yeah, I'll just improvise. And... Oh, I think it was bottlenecked by those Mark 1s previously. Yeah. Yeah, I also could not supply 10 per second solder. So let's not do this. What I actually wanted to do here is supply stone onto the logistic network. Okay, this is taking forever. At least I have my copper cables. Now, how should I lay out all of this? I think I want the bottom row to be kind of just utilities, like non-production buildings, all kind of non-production buildings. Let's finish the chests for now. Yeah. I don't want them at the moment, so they will be disabled. Also, it doesn't hurt. It really doesn't hurt to have a few available. What I do need next is either power poles or the train stuff. Let's do the train stuff. Which is this. Then signal 1. Signal 2. And yeah. Do I want to remove this? Yeah. Just to not use the bots as much. Now in the long run, very long run, I probably have rail ramps and the rail supports here. So I'll do this. No steel. Yeah, this is just very boring. Basically having to select every building once. Let's have the big poles at 300. No steel. Do I want... Yeah, all the inserters. I should not move the inserters too far to the right. So, I'll start with a yellow one. Probably 300 for now. Red one. The blue one. Can't do right now. And the green one. And the stack inserter. Oh, this actually needs lubricant. Anything else? Yeah, you don't need small parts. You also don't need small parts. Yeah, those I actually could move to somewhere on the right already. Yeah. Who cares? Now I do need those sheds somehow, if I remember correctly. So let's not forget, it all starts with the wooden chests. And then, yeah, all the different sizes. Once each. Now I need the construction zone extenders. I'll definitely need more logistic bots. Okay, I'm up to 40 already. That's not too bad. And they are flying. Do I want to set up even more right now? This could all be supplied from the belts. Or can it? Yes. This has bricks in here. Oh, now they trash unrequested. Okay. So be it. It's basically just a normal chest now. You need... let's use a yellow chest here. Because I can't really stop this based on... yeah, based on the logistic network, because I need it always running as fuel for the buildings. So, where am I approximately? Anything else? Not really. I need this electronics factory, which I have plenty of. Just don't have enough construction bots. But I'm below 2,000 missing bots already. Anything else? Oh, I'm out of undergrounds. That's unfortunate. And let's keep those Mark II. So, yeah, I really need to start with the buildings, but I will not do this today because this stream is already much too long. Oh, and by the way, I don't have clay yet. Let's do the clay real quick, because this shouldn't be a big one. I'll need water. I'll need steam. And yeah, pipes. Plus a few power poles. Okay. And I think I'll wrap this up here. What have I done today? This beautiful block with I think in the end it will be 240 train stations. Right now it's not that many, luckily. I'm missing a lot of chests, a lot of inserters, a lot of burner assembling machines and a few other things. But in general, this is growing and it is thriving. And I have logistic bots running around here, hopefully. I think they do more useless stuff at the moment. But I have 40 logistic bots. So in the next episode, I will probably increase this quite a lot. Yeah, make all the buildings there are and yeah, and hopefully I can start with making progress in the episode after that. So thank you all so much for watching and see you in the next episode.